Can I clear PT in 2 weeks? Can I get 8 each in just 2 weeks? These are a couple of questions which normally students ask me when they start their PT journey. And I always tell them, yes, it is possible because a lot of students have done it. But you need to be very careful. You need to know which template to use. You need to know which strategy to use, how to manage your day, how to practice every single day, which tasks are important, which tasks are not important, and within 14 days you can also get perfect scores. Now today in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it as well. I'm going to showcase all the things you need to remember, all the things you need to do on a single day that will allow you to get perfect scores for your PTE exam. I have done it, hundreds of students have done it, and you guys can also do it. So from my teaching experience from last 7.5 years, plus from so many students' results, we can tell you what things work and what things does not work.
Following the 14-day plan was very crucial in my case. I followed that very strictly, and yeah, that really, I think that played a very big part and helped me achieve this goal.
So let's talk about PTE 14 days plan, which will help you to get your desired scores. But before that, if you're new to our channel, make sure that you do subscribe because we keep on posting very valuable videos like this one so that it can help you to crack your scores. And on top of that, if you are failing in any of the modules or in any of the tasks and you need a quick tip and a quick solution, you can comment your problem in the comment section. I personally reply to every single comment myself, and this will help you to get a quick solution from me. So let's talk about the very first thing which students make mistake is doing all the tasks, practicing all the tasks. So I will be showing you which tasks are important. Actually, I'll make a plan for you for every single day. So stay tuned till the very end because this plan will help you to focus on only on those areas which matters and other things we can totally avoid. Okay, first thing, do you know templates play a very important role? So this video will have links for all the templates you need to keep in your mind, all the templates which you need to practice, and they will help you to get perfect 90. Yes, these templates provide 90 scores. So it is very important that you practice with these templates and the results are assured. After you have gone through the templates, the next thing I want you guys to keep in mind is time management. Now, time is very crucial. You just get 2 hours to complete 20 tasks. Yes, it's a very challenging task to manage the time and get the accuracy. So time management is very important. Now, when it comes to the time management, especially for your reading module and for your listening module, students pay attention and spend a lot of time on the least important tasks. So I'm going to pinpoint which areas you need to focus and which areas you can totally avoid. So this is very important. So let me show you the 14 days plan, which will help you to get your scores. But with this 14 days plan, you have to make sure that you practice every single day and practice from Vision Language Experts portal, because that portal is going to give you realistic scorings along with the feedback and analysis of every single task. Day 1 and 2, we will be focusing on tasks from your speaking module such as read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, and retell lecture. You don't really need to put a lot of emphasis on answer short questions. And then we will be doing writing for summarize written text and essay. And listening, we're going to only focus on 4 tasks. There are 8 tasks. You do not have to focus on all the tasks. So day 1 and day 2 plan is on your screen. Now let's talk about day 3. Day 3, we're going to do similar things for speaking, but we're going to make sure that we start practicing reading from day 2 itself. Normally, students miss out the reading until they're 1 week, and that's the problem because reading takes time. Okay. Now, for your essay, we're going to do 1, but written text, we're not going to do any. And we're going to make sure that we're going to do dictations 25 every single day, especially for the first few days, because this is also a very important task of your listening module. Okay, so spoken text, listening, fill in the blanks, write from dictations, and reading and writing, fill in the blanks would be rest of the task we'll be doing after your speaking and writing on day 3. Now, once you're into your day 4, again, we are going to just repeat almost everything what we have done on day 4. However, we will be focusing a lot on dictations and reading fill in the blanks. Now, instead of reading and writing fill in the blanks on day 4, you are going to do reading blanks. Rest of the things are almost similar, and you're going to do this right exactly we have discussed in the templates and in the tutorial videos, where I am showing you how exactly you need to perform this task. Day 5 and day 6 is very crucial because on these days we're going to just focus on very important tasks from your reading module and from your listening module, along with repeat sentences. Okay, now this will really help you to revise everything, because next day 7 we are going to give one mock test, and you can give the mock test from Visual Language Experts for free. If you have not seen that, go over there and attempt it free of cost. After day 7 mock, you're going to make sure that you repeat the tasks given on the screen, such as repeat sentences, reading and writing blanks, reorders, and dictations, because these tasks are the main pillars for your 8 each. This is very important that you finish every single day these tasks, guys. After you've given the mock, I will be sending you one email as well with the feedback, with the plan as well, right? Follow that feedback, make sure that you understand your mistakes, and continue the rest of the day's plan as I'm going to show you. From day 8, we will start practicing from the prediction file. Every single month we have a new prediction file, so make sure that you're following the updated prediction file and you're doing all the tasks from day 8 onwards from the prediction file. And one more important thing, from day 8 we will also start doing the sectional mocks to get a more glimpse of time management as well. So on day 8 we will be doing sectional mock test for speaking and rest of the tasks given on your screen. Day 9 will also be sectional mock test but for writing, and the remaining tasks will be repeat sentences, reading and writing fill in the blanks, reading blanks, reorders, write from dictations, and we will do a little bit of the scrimmage and retell lecture as well. Day 10 is going to be your reading mock, and along with that, again, we will be focusing on repeat sentences, reading and writing blanks, reorders, and write from dictations. And we will be also doing listening blanks and incorrect words, but 10 each only, and scrimmage and retell as well. Day 11 is going to be your listening mock test. Along with that, here we will be focusing more on the blanks and reorders, along with repeat sentence and dictations. These are the 5 main important tasks you need to perform in order to get your 8 each. Day 12 is going to be another full mock. This is the crucial moment, because after this mock, we're going to book our exam, and we have to make sure that we have to perform it just like the real exam. After the mock's result, we can plan the exam, and after that, we have to also do the tasks given on the screen. Day 13, again, we're going to just focus on the main important 5 tasks. Repeat sentences, reading and writing fill in the blanks, reading blanks, reorders, and write from dictations. Day 14 is going to be the last day of your practice. After this, we would be planning to give the exam. Over here, we'll be doing repeat sentences 20, reading and writing blanks 30, reading blanks 30, reorders 20, write from dictations 25, summarize spoken text 1, summarize written text 1, listening fill in the blanks and incorrect words 10 each, and if we have a time, we will also do one speaking mock. Now guys, keep this thing in mind. It's not about just hard work. It's about where you're putting your efforts, which tasks you're contributing your time towards. And yes, practice will help you, but consistency is also very important. So make sure that you follow this plan every single day with the right strategies, with the right tips, and that's going to help you to get your desired bands. And that will help you to get more than 8, guys. Students have got it, and you guys can also get it. Now that's it, guys. If you have not followed our Instagram channel, make sure that you go and follow it, because I have recently posted one short clip where students have got their desired bands in just a matter of days with this plan. So make sure that you follow our Instagram channel as well for all the short and crisp tips. That was it, guys. Vishal is signing off from Visual Language Experts. Again, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you do subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial.